Yo, yo, yo! Today I'm going to show you how to get a modded version of the No Limit Drag Racing 2 on your phone. So this does work on iOS and Android. So as you can see, I'm super rich. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So let's get straight into the video. So first thing we're going to do, guys, is go over the website where we're going to get the No Limit 2 Drag Racing mod. So that is going to be zoomods.com. So once you're on the site, guys, go to the search bar and just type in No Limit Drag Racing 2. And there it is. Press on it, and before it downloads, you will have to do a verification. This is where you download 2 apps and complete the instructions. And these are completely for free, and they're also from the real App Store. So let's just wait for it to download just so I can show you guys exactly how to do that. So yeah, this is super cool, guys. So I'm just going to wait for it to load here, as you can see. So basically, what happens is it's going to load up this window where it says, please download 2 apps, Blanca, Blanca, Blanca. So you just press on the app, it brings you to the App Store, you're going to be good to go. So I'm going to see you guys later. Be subscribed to the channel. This one's a really bad example because it's like a redirect. But here you go, guys. There you go. It takes you straight to the App Store. You download the 2 apps, you're done. So yeah, if you go to the App Store and type in No Limit Drag Racing, you can see it's really expensive. So let me just wait for this to load. And as you can see, guys, in the in-app purchases, it's so expensive. So if you want to get everything for free, guys, be sure to try us out. Super insane, guys. Totally works. 2025. So if you play No Limit Drag Racing 2, be sure to try us out for yourself because it's super crazy and I really like it. So as you can see, I have tons of money right there. So definitely go ahead and try this one out for yourself. I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel if you want to play No Limit Drag Racing 2 with unlimited money in 2025, guys. So I'm going to see you guys later. Subscribe to the channel and peace out, guys.